been forever. I haven't posted since like February. So here's a Q&A. Oh wait, I'm trying to log into my Instagram. Wait, I logged into my spam, not my. Let me just log out of this. Be right back. Commercial break. I figured it out. So now we're gonna do some Q&A answers. Okay, first question is, what's your favorite song? I don't really have a favorite song. I just listen to a lot of I can't explain my music taste. I listen to a bit of everything, but not really. Like, I don't like country music, those little yeehaw cowboys. I don't like that. But I listen to rap. I listen to a lot of Ugandan music in my free time as well. So yeah, I listen to a lot of Lana Del Rey, SZA, a lot of Liam McKay. So all of Liam McKay's projects, I'm like this with them. Sign Crushes Motorists. I forgot the name of his other projects, but I listen to a lot of his music. I have a playlist for his music as well. Hey, first daughter, can you speak Lunyankole? I can understand a bit of Lunyankole, but I can't speak it fluently. I can try and talk a bit, but Olidota. Olidota. Guys, I don't speak Lunyankole. Okay. What is your greatest achievement done within this year so far? Just the one that stands with you the most. I think getting MVP for my school's volleyball team has to be my biggest achievement of the year, because MVP, most valued player. I feel like all the girls did amazing though. We played so well. I was so proud of the whole team. Like, guys, I'm that one player that's always, oh my god, guys, we did it! Literally, guys, we did so well. You know, that one player, I am that person, because I'm also team captain. So yeah, I think honorable shout outs for people who did super well this volleyball season. Lisa was amazing. Mina, she was so good. Who else played amazing? Nambuya played so well. Who played amazing? Raifa's play was chef's kiss. Everyone else did really amazing as well, but like, that's what stood out to me the most. Who else is on that team? Our setters, Noel and Loretta, they did, the sets, they just, guys, anyway. Oh wait, Samka Sanane, Saga again, that too close to the screen. Okay, sorry. Some of these questions. Anyway, day in the life with the president that would break the net. Guys, okay. Anyway, some of these questions, man. Where do you go to school? I can't disclose where I go to school. Just know I'm in school. I am in school. Can I give you Golden Trends shirt for free and will you wear it? I think that's a brand. No, I do not do Basi Tabatia or Bulango. No, I don't do those. So I would love a shirt though, because guys, I am lacking on super cool clothes. So send me all the clothes you want to. Do you have a workout routine? Yes, I do a lot of leg workouts, a lot of squats, a lot of mountain climbers, a lot of lunges. Yeah, I have a leg workout, but that was pretty recent. I started about when did I start doing my legs? I started working out my legs about like a month ago, so not really that often. Apart from that, I just do my school's volleyball team practice and training. Hi Emma.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. What's next? Hi, you're so pretty. Thank you. You're so pretty. How are you doing lately? I'm doing amazing, guys. Actually, I can't anymore. Anyway, I'm doing amazing lately. Next question, are you done with high school? If not, what class? I just started Form 4, Senior 4. I'm doing my finals next year in May. So yeah, I hope I do really well because I'm really focused on school. I do a lot of school. Ooh, I love this song. Guys, I can't sing, but like, okay, let me unpause my music even. Let's go back to the questions because I got a bit distracted. Which level of education are you, and are you on Snapchat? I am, like I said, in Senior 4, Form 4, Year 11. Am I on Snapchat? Yes, I am. But I have only one account. I will not be putting my account because I don't want all of you guys to add me. My account is only for like people I talk to a lot. So been thinking about how we can make ends meet together. I don't want. Sorry. That was so mean. Sorry. Anyway. Okay, so school age status. I turned 16 in October, so I'm currently 15 because it's July. Yeah. Truth only is, what's your true age and favorite color? Like I said, 15, turning 15 this October. And my favorite color is pink. I like pink a lot. Pink, gray. I just like colors. Yeah. How can a teenager survive in high school in Uganda? Yo guys, just be a nice person. Just do not be a bad person, guys. Yeah, and you'll be fine, honestly, because it's school, you're there to learn and everything, so just be good, you know. Yeah. Room tour. That's my bed, that's my door, my closet's over here, I have a desk over there. Yeah, room tour done. I don't really like showing off my space. Oh, and there's a window over here, so that's why I have all the fresh light, you know. But I don't like showing off my space. I don't want people to know everything about me. So which school? I'm not saying. Babes, nga you're lost. Your tens even. How you though? Sorry, I understood that, but yeah, okay, cool. Nga, I'm lost. Yeah, guys, school. My tens, I think that's my number because the number has 10 digits. I'm not allowed to give out my phone number. Matter of fact, Sina Nasim, I do not have a phone number. Sina Sim. Whoever you've been texting on WhatsApp isn't me. Sorry, guys. Anyway, do I own a pet? Yes, I love our dog. Pictures. I love our dog. His name is Rainbow. I love him. He's so much fun. You know, who's my favorite artist? Like I said before, I listen to a lot of Lana Del Rey, SZA, Liam McKay. I listen to a bit of everything. Depends on my mood, guys. Like if I feel like dancing, you know, I'll throw on my little algorithm playlist. So bit of Nicki, bit of Ice, bit of, you know, guys. Anyway, I also listen to a lot of Ugandan music, but I like the oldies. I listen to old music that we grew up listening to. So lots of Radio and Weasel, Palazzo, lots of Shiba. Who else? Oh, also 2020 music. I have John Black in there. I have what's this guy's name? Crystal Panda. Okay, guys. Just now. Why am I even playing this? Let me play my Ugandan playlist. Batekeko Bulunji Nyo. Now we're looking for my Ugandan playlist. My playlist is called Motherland. You can see the name is there, Motherland. As you can see, there's Radio and Weasel. There's Radio and Weasel. This is Spice Diana. This is Chameleon. Okay. Oof! Starting it strong with Shiba. Yeah, wait. Okay. Okay, I'm opening the questions again. That's enough dancing to Shiba, guys. But I'm gonna keep the music on. I don't know if it's too loud. Yeah, sorry if it's too loud. I hope you can hear me though. What's the laziest month in your year so far? June and July, bro. I've been home on holiday for 2 months. We've been doing a lot of activeness because me personally, I've been working out every day of these 2 months. But June and July, I've just been chilling. But I had a school project I've been doing, so, not that lazy. What's this guy saying? Okay, can you say hi in my DM if you read this? Sorry guys, I'm not gonna DM anyone. Sorry, but hi. Also, would you rather party or stay home? Me personally, I feel like my social battery runs out a lot. So when I see people go out like past like 6 p.m. like, guys, yo, how are you not tired? Me personally, I'm home and sleeping by 6. I don't know about you, cause I don't party. I don't go out. I don't party. So if I'm to go out or anything, it's just swimming with some friends, movies, lunch, going to my friend's house, and that doesn't really need staying out late. So just back home by 6, Plus I have things to do at home. So someone said I love you. I love you too. You're my favorite person in the world. I love you. Most of these are can we be friends? Listen, I'm from South Sudan. Can we be friends? Hey, can I be your friend, please? Hey, can we be friends? You're all my friends in spirit, guys. Who is my biggest inspiration? My mom. I love my mom. She's so inspiring. She's my biggest inspiration ever. Her and Lupita Nyong'o and this lady. I forgot her name for a quick second. I know her. Why did I forget her name? Ish. But anyway, all women of color, all mothers, all women in general inspire me, So yeah. These guys just put emojis. Laba. Now what am I supposed to say back to you? Kari, also you. Sorry. No, this one put fire, heart, cash. Guys, honestly. Anyway, what's your shoe size if you don't mind me asking? It's no problem. I'm a size 39 to 40, depends. If it's closed shoes, probably 40. If it's open shoes, 39. Mungulie kungato. Musindike ne wange mwana. Guys, musindike kungato. Musaga though I have shoes. Girl, it's been so long and you don't reply to any of my texts. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've been busy with school. Why? Anyway, well, in case you read this by any chance, I got a project. Can you sing? No, I can't sing. I can't sing, guys. I can barely dance as well, bro. Anyway, next one. You're too pretty. How old are you? I am 15 turning 16. what's your hobby? Like I said before, I love volleyball, I love crochet, so I do a lot of crochet. That's basically, it's not knitting. Knitting uses 2 sticks. Crochet, you wrap the thing around your finger, no stuck a hook. Basically, in a crochet hook, it's not a knitting stick. What can I use to show you guys? I do a lot of crochet and I haven't been giving like it's, I don't want it to be cluttering it. So yeah, let me this. I can't put on now because I'm tired and so you see the patterns. This is crochet, guys. So behavior. Na koze aim you can't get them wardrobe direct. Kainja guys so muchungwa nga wetu ogera wano. So ndeko, let me put back the question. How are you? How is my family? How is your family? My family is doing good. My family is doing good. Yeah, we're all good, bro. We're just chilling, guys. Opinions on sundresses. I love sundresses, guys. I love sundresses. I don't wear them out much, but when I do, I wear them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, I love sundresses. They're so pretty. I like dresses in general. What's the next one? When are you giving us this YouTube video, please? Now. It's here now. Enjoy. Guys, but off jokes, please subscribe and like and follow all my social media. Yeah, follow all my social media. I'm on TikTok. I am on anyway. I follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube, like this video so YouTube can know, oh, Shalom, okay, she makes nice videos. These are the seeds. I'm picking them out because I don't want them. Anyway. Dun, 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 dun. This is Chameleon's Wale Wale that's playing right now. We study from Uganda for university. I don't know, guys. Simani, honestly. Me personally, inchali mu S4, nakatandika S4. So sagala, like, I'm planning for ahead, but I don't want to overthink everything. So it's always good to take things step by step. I have ideas of where I want to go and what I want to do. Dream career. Honestly, I think about me, I personally do not care what I do in the future as long as I work with kids. Guys, I love children. Like, oh my god, I just want to work with kids when I'm older, Anyway, I just want to work with kids when I'm older, whether that's within the law, whether that's within medicine, whether that's within non-government organizations. I just genuinely want to work with kids, and I do not mind what I do in the future as long as I am working with kids. Okay, hi guys, this is me editing the video. I just wanted to show some pictures. So this was me when I was younger holding Subi. This was on my birthday with Subi. This was Christmas, also Christmas with my cousin. My other cousin when we went swimming. This was on a school trip when I went to Sanyu Baby Tom. Feel now that Bobi one question has started. Sorry. How do you feel being a daughter to Bobi Wine? How do you feel when your dad is being harassed by the police? It is not a good sight to see. Let me even remove my music. It's not a good sight to see, but I know what my father is fighting for is what's true and what desperately needs to happen within Uganda. It's a change that we need, especially us the youth, because we're upcoming. But yeah, it's not a good sight to see when police is harassing my dad and his supporters and everything that's going on. Guys, but yeah, I try not to speak about it because it's not really my topic to talk about. But yeah, how do I feel being the daughter to Bobi? I love my dad. My dad is so cool. Insert a video of future Shalom insert the video of you with Tata. 3, 2, 1. Hey vlog, we're gonna go swim in the fish. Yes. Tata, what's your thoughts on that?
You go swim.
Shalom, how come you have that height and you failed to contest for Miss Uganda? I'm tall, guys. I'm taller than my mom. I'm taller than my mom, yeah. I am 5'6.5", but I always say I'm 5'7" because I'm closer to 5'7" than 5'6". So I'm 5'7". In heels, I'm 5'9" to 5'10", depends on the heel. Yeah, guys. Why didn't I contest for Miss Uganda? Nah, that's not my cup of tea, you know. Yeah, I don't know, man. Plus, there's so many beautiful intellectual women out there who did, and I'm so proud of them for winning. Whoever won, I don't keep up with it, but like whoever won, so proud of you guys. You did amazing, because I saw some of the clips and everything. You looked all you know. Anyway. Sorry guys, I find myself so funny sometimes. Anyway guys, I think that's pretty much all the questions you had. What other basic questions are there? My favorite food, I love seafood. I love shrimp. I love pasta as well. What else? I think that's it, guys. What do I like to do? I like to lay in my bed here and I watch YouTube, a lot of YouTube. Not that much Netflix because there's nothing for me to watch in it. But yeah guys, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for getting to know me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you guys so much.